You can create your app in 10 minutes. In this tutorial, we are going to create this app. I will show you how it works. Click gender, go to age group, selecting 30s. I choose lunch. Click continue, grab the photo, simply drag it, analyzing it. Then you are able to see nutrition information, daily recommended value. Click New Analysis, go back to initial stage. Let's make this app together. For app development, we need several requirements such as interface, server, database, and so on. In other words, it requires money, time, and coding effort. In order to replace these requirements, we are going to use Google Spreadsheet, Google Drive, AppScript, Gemini. All these are provided by Google and also for free. Main structure is following. Let's say this is our app. We are going to use Gemini for data processing. In order to link these two, we are going to use API. To get API key, we have to go to Google AI Studio, following by this website address. If you go to this website, it looks like that. First, select the suitable AI model here. After that, get API key button here. Then it will show this page. Simply click this blue button. Then you will get your API key. Copy the API key. Save it in Word file. Next, what we need is following. We need prompt template, which you can download it from below link in description section. You need your Google account, also Cloud AI account. In my case, I'm going to use Cloud AI, but you can also use ChatGPT or other AI module as well. Are you ready? Let's get started then. Once you open Google, it looks like that. You can see the dots here. Clicking it, scroll down, you are able to see Sheets. Clicking it again, click blank spreadsheet. So we are going to use this spreadsheet. The next part, let's open prompt template. Once you open it, it looks like that. First, in here, we are going to put our name of app. Deleted it. I will put food analysis app. What I want is analyzing nutrition information. The analysis will be only one time. However, internally, I would like to save the analysis information in Google Sheet. After that, you are going to create a user journey step by step. In my cases, I already prepare like this. So select the gender, age group. Once you complete the user journey part, after that, you can define Google Sheet name. In my cases, I decide to go with the analysis log. Let's go back to Google Sheet. Come to here, double clicking it, Control V, and I added analysis log. We can also change the spreadsheet name. Come here, I will just put food analysis app. Go back to prompt template. After defining Google Sheet name, I asked how should I structure Google Spreadsheet field and app screen interface. If we complete here, simply copy all of them up to here. Control C, go to Cloud AI, come here, Control V, hit enter button. Then AI will structure our spreadsheet field and application interface. You can see header and also you can see app interface component. What we are going to do is copy the headers, paste it into Google Sheet. First, Control C, go back to here, Control V, user gender, Control C, Control V, keep continuing it. So I complete all these. Let's go back to prompt template. Let's go to next page. In this section, what we are going to do is we are going to prepare prompt for writing a code for the app. First, plug it in your API key here. Next, select your module. The next part, we have to get Google Spreadsheet ID. Let's go back to Google Sheet. Come here, Control C, go back, Control V. Our sheet name is already selected. The next part, we have to copy field structure, which is this one. Select them all. Control C, go back, Control Shift B. The very first one, we put quotation mark. At the end, put quotation mark. So backend setup is already done. The next part, let's create interface design. Let's go to Cloudera. You can see app interface component. Simply select, Control C, go back, Control V. After this part, we are going to create app script and HTML. In this part, you can add your description for your design. In my case, I put modern and stylish design, but you can change this part as you wish. What we are going to do is simply copy up to here, Control C. Our prompt is ready through Cloudera. Come here, Control V, enter. AI will automatically create app for you. Actually, your coding work is already done. Second one will be index.html, which is for user interface. In case of free version, it reached the maximum length. Therefore, you have to click continue button. Then creating code is continue. Now we complete the second part as well. The next part, we are going to copy this and this into our Google Spreadsheet. Copy this code, put it into worksheet. First, go to extension, select app script. Then it look like code.js. Delete all this existing code. Let's go back to Cloudera. Click here, then you can see code here. Click here, copy. Go back to sheet, Control V. The next part, let's go to file. Click plus sign here, select HTML, hold index, enter. Existing one, selecting, deleting it. Let's go back to Cloudera. Look here, selecting it. Then you can see here, copy, go back to here, Control V. Let's change the name here, project, food analysis project. The next part, let's deploy our app. Go to deploy, clicking it, new deployment. You can see here, this icon, clicking it, select web app. Let's give a new description, version 1. It will be me. You can select who want to have access. If you're clicking it, there is 3 different options. In my case, I will go with only myself. Click deploy. Click authorize access. Then it show like that. This one, please go to advanced. It says it's unsafe, but actually it's really safe. So click here, scroll down a bit, just click allow. Copy this link, go to here, Control V, enter. Then we have our own app here. Click gender, go to age group, selecting 30s. I choose lunch. Click continue, grab the photo, simply drag it, make it bigger, analyzing it. Then you are able to see nutrition information, daily recommended value. Click new analysis, go back to initial stage. Let's go to Google Spreadsheet. As you can see, analysis results are automatically recorded. Let's go to app script. click here. What if you cannot remember your link anymore? Go to here, clicking it, click Manage Deployments. Then you can see Food Analysis App 1. Then you can find your URL code again. Click Cancel, then you are going back here. The next part is creating my app icon in my smartphone. First, open App Link in web browser in your smartphone. Second, search for Share button and clicking it. Then you can see Menu List. Please go to Add to Home Screen. After that, you can see like that. Simply click Add button here. Then you are able to see your app icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.